look at your life at this point in time and ask yourself, how are you grouping things? Because the conflict is in the way you group things. If you had not grouped it like that, you wouldn't have the conflict. The conflict exists in your way of how you found similarities in different things and how you could not find differences in similar things. That's where your conflict actually lives. And if you understand that, you understand the whole tree of your life, because everything is a part of a higher system. And at the same time, every system has multiple aspects. Our flexibility lies in our ability of breaking what we've grouped and to put anything in any group. And that's the biggest way we can see a world without war. And that's a life skill that will save the planet. What are we discussing today? We are discussing how to be able to activate the right brain, the right side of the hemisphere, as freely as possible so that we can avoid war. Well, war is a reality. The snake is a part of the garden. Well, we must build the wall. We must have safety measures, but we cannot ignore that chaos is a part of my reality. Every attempt to keep chaos out creates chaos. The brain that thinks how to keep chaos out has created more chaos than chaos itself. And as long as we cannot perceive that, we are constantly being in service of the left hemisphere. And the more we be in service to the left hemisphere, we have a problem.